Hey everyone, this is Tazb78. Welcome to my Panini certified 2011-2012 break. This is the box that was an auction that ended not too long ago. Serial number is NE94007475. Not sure if you can actually get this. Again, as usual, my camera is supposed to be in HD, but I'm not too sure. Anyways, I'll open the plastic and let you know. Just a quick note, I will have a little random free bonus at the end of this draw, so once this box is opened and finished, stay online. I got 3 prizes or 3 packs that I will open, which are the following packs over here. So I'm going to use random.org with all the unique names, and what I will do is randomize 3 times. Third place will get the Flair Ultra 2009-2010. Number 2 will get the Pinnacle 2011-2012, and number 1 will get the Black Diamond. It will be obviously just the hits, if there is any, as usual. So we'll get to that at the end. So let's get this going. Checklist 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Empty box. Let's get started. I don't try to open the packs anymore. Just go with the scissors and pull them out. So here we go. Got base card, base. Let's keep this for the end. Base, blank, base, and we've got Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux, red card, Immortals, serial 84 of 199. This one here. Pack number 2. Boston base, Tampa base, St. Louis base, Devils base, spacer, blank, and a base card. Number 3. Okay. So Carolina base, Nashville base, Ottawa base, Rangers base. There's nothing here. This is my hometown, so Tampa base, and we've got Montreal Canadiens, fabric of the game, Andrei Kostitsyn, which is not Montreal anymore, thank God. Sorry for Nashville, they already know what we were feeling. Anyways, so this is a serial numbered card, 51 of 399. Montreal Canadiens. There's another hit over here. So Detroit base, Senators base, can I pull, yep, Atlanta base. The back card, Montreal Canadiens base. New York Islanders base. And we've got over here Fabric of the Game again. Andrew Ladd, Atlanta transfers, which is now the Winnipeg Jets, serialed 191 of 399. Yeah. Let's keep going. So we've got a Buffalo base, Boston base, Minnesota base, Buffalo mirror card, Drew Stafford. Serial number is number 9 of 25. So Drew Stafford mirror card right here. Spacer, and we've got Gabrick base. So Columbus base, Vancouver base, Atlanta base, New Jersey base, blank, spacer, and San Jose base. 4 packs to go. We still haven't found any autographs. I'm assuming we should get at least 2, so that should be coming very soon. So Dallas base, Calgary base, Rennie Burke. Nope, sorry, Murray Giordano. It looked like Burke. Sorry, what's going on? Carolina base. Let's go from behind. Jersey base. Masked Marvels and McClanquist Rangers. I'll go over here. Now we got spacer blank. 3 packs to go. There we go. Edmonton base. Blue Jackets base. These are the base cards. Okay. Chicago base. Okay, let's go from the back. San Jose base. There we go. Thank God it's a base. Let's be careful with this one. New Jersey Devils. Here we go, the rookie card. Adam Henrique. Very nice. Patch rookie. Numbered 121 of 499. Two packs left before we get to the bonus. So we've got Colorado base, Washington base, Edmonton. Oh, let's leave this one here. Let's pull the back one. Montreal base, spacer, Edmonton base. The back is certified champions Tim Thomas here, and the last pack. Chicago base, Washington base, Anaheim. Let's leave this one. This we got the Panthers, David Booth base. Oops, you saw the autograph there. So blank, Anaheim base. Let's turn it this way, and whatever we got. Eric Condra, freshman signature, Ottawa Senators. There we go. So let's just put this on the side. For now, we'll leave it right here. These base cards, we could move them. So now for the bonus round. Sorry if I move the camera. Look at this. So these are all the unique bidders. Aronov 2, the Crib 999, Ty 4877, Rockham 04, White Sorry if I mess up the names, guys. Progmaster Gills, Airbag 7, Sly 0399, Jumpin' Eye. So as I said, we're going to randomize 3 times. This will end up being the 3rd spot, 2nd spot right here, and the 1st spot. Oh, I'm sorry, there was more. I apologize. This is a good thing we actually did it this way. So the ones that I'm sorry guys. So the ones that I forgot: Bays 88, AJ17 Terriers, Art Crimes 1303, JJW10 Pin, Roy the Crib 9999663, La Mademoiselle. Here we go. So as I said, the top of the list, number 1 is going to be 1st, 2nd is going to be 2nd, 3rd is going to be 3rd. Randomized 3 times. Let's get this done. 1, 2, and 3. So Jump Eye is going to be a black diamond card. Base 88 will be our pinnacle cards, and Warth Reach will be the Fleer Ultra cards. So let's get these packs opened. Number 3 for Warth Reach. Get a little so that too much. This card should actually be a little easier. We got Taurus base. Oh, here's a nice card. Total 0, Evgeny Malkin, Penguins. So this will go to White Horich. Got also a gold card, Shonorkov. Oops, there we go. As well. And then we got 2 more bases. So let's put this aside. Now we go to Bays 88, which gets the Pinnacle pack. Let's see if there's any hits in there. By the way, this is a Pinnacle 2010-11 and not 11-12. I apologize for before. So we've got a base card of Scott Gomez. Yep, he is also a base player. Hopefully the new Mark Bergeron gets rid of him. Base. There's a little hit. City Lights, Magnus Pajärvi, Edmonton Oilers, and it is a patch. So this is considered as a hit. Base. base, base, and a base. Finally, jumping eye gets black diamond. Let's hope for a quad in this pack. Base, base. This is the best card so far. Tazb78, and that's it. So I'm sorry jumping, but I will at least what I will do is, since there's no hits, I'll send you these 5 cards, black diamond. So everyone, thank you. I'll be uploading this video shortly, and look for my next bids, or my next breaks that should be coming within the next 2 days. If you wish to be on my mailing list to be informed of my breaks, just send me an email, taz@tazb78.ca. Thanks and have a good night.